أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أنوانم ne adɔfonom yɛsrɛ otumfo nyankopɔn sɛ ɔnhue nyinaa mmɔbɔ na ɔmfa ne nhyira n'adom ne n'asomdwie ɛnwie nyinaa so daa nyankopɔn adom ɛnɛ nso so yɛabɛhyia biem ɛwɔ Ramadan series ɛso a ɛyɛ mosomfo imam adubɔfoɔ ana mene mu ahyia yi ɛnɛ yɛdwumadie no ɛyɛ soronko na deɛ yɛyɛ ne sɛ doctor bi a yɛfrɛ no Dr. Berg DC a ɔyɛ chiropractor and ɔyɛ health educator wakasa about Ramadan fasting ɛho na ɛno ana mepɛ sɛ atiefo nyinaa yɛhwɛ saa video no na yɛwie a yɛaka ɛho asɛm kakra. But to give a little overview of that video, no, okasa about less than 4 minutes cry. Na okanema base mienu. Baako eye the type of food was woody during Ramadan. Ana baako so eye emfaso the benefits of Ramadan fasting. Na ochre se anka ebeye yi a edu Ramadan a enuane a eye high in carbohydrates no obebe na bafom na enuane bi a eye a friend keto diet and I say low in carbohydrates, low in protein, and I feel a little bit high in fat, any other properties no. Anoni momna ɛwɔ sɛ yɛdi ne kɛse na yɛnkonko tie doctor no yɛwie na kakra yɛwɔ ho no yaka.
Today we're going to talk about the relationship between fasting during Ramadan and its immune effects. Ramadan lasts between 29 and 30 days, and you're required not to drink or eat anything just before sunrise to just after sunset. This is a dry fast. And what I mean by dry fast is you're not drinking any water. Now, before we get into the benefits, I do want to point out this one very, very important point. If you look at some of the studies done on Ramadan, you're going to see some mixed reviews. And I think the reason for that, because what you eat before and after you fast is going to make or break your success. If you are eating a lot of junk food, refined carbohydrates, that is going to greatly inhibit these amazing effects that you could achieve if you added keto-friendly foods, low carb, during the meals. I mean, think about it. Ketones in general are antimicrobial. When you do fasting, you actually decrease what's called cytokines. There are different types of cytokines. And cytokines are chemical messages that communicate between your immune cells. There are certain cytokines that cause inflammation, and those are the ones that we're talking about. So it'll decrease the trigger to inflammation. Also, it will stimulate something called macrophages. A macrophage is a large cell that eats bacteria and microbes and viruses. This is like a professional, what's called a phagocyte, which not just is like a garbage disposal, but it is a deadly killer and one of the first lines of defense for any type of invasion for microbes. So the more you can stimulate macrophages, the better the immune system. All right, next thing is it will increase the microbiome. What is the microbiome? That describes your friendly microbes in your body that help you. A great majority of your immune system, and I'm talking like 70%, is located in your large intestine. And I'm talking about the microbiome, which I did a video on, and I'll put that link down below, gives you incredible immune support. And without it, your risk for infection goes straight up and vertical. When you do fasting, which is kind of weird because you're actually kind of starving them, they live longer. There's certain type of genetic things that get triggered that support your immune system. Next thing is resistance to stress. When you fast, you increase your capacity to fight off stress, as well as DNA damage too. Also, when you fast, you decrease oxidative stress. you're going to have less free radicals. You're also going to get an increase in production of your antioxidant networks, which also can help as well. And lastly, fasting will increase autophagy, which is your body's ability to recycle old damaged parts as well as microbes. There's a very specific type of autophagy called xenophagy, which targets pathogens. One huge benefit of fasting is basically the elimination of these microbes that can stay dormant in your body for many, many years. Ramadan has huge, powerful effects on the immune system, but I think it could be a lot better if you also add keto. If you're new to my channel, I put a link down below of exactly what you should be eating to enhance your benefits. If you want more information about fasting, check out this intro video right here.
Enti asamwa doctor yi eka nyina ne se opese fasting no unya emfaso ewo so pa ewo se waduane a udi no ohwe if say aduane no a udi no enso can either make or break you. Enti se wo eho akade dia anka the best way say obe ma unuane no aye nuane a esichire no obete so white flour no obete so se pan no ne meat pie no ne nuane bia ne soft drinks no nuane a unhye da nya the natural nutrients no enfrim no obete so na obekọ nuane a eye natural eno na obenya emfaso na okire se fasting no eniema bese mienu ana eye mfaso na okan no meka ho asem okire se fasting no ye obibia ye frɛ no cytokines misremo ne nsɛm no bibre no eye more scientific eye more technical which I have no knowledge about them, but the ono naka no ana matrotro kakra or say cytokines no it decrease the trigger to inflammation. On say obi especially ye ma menom ne ye papa nom no a omumfi akọ omanim kakra no bo nse ne bia omaposo na ehonhono so uyo obi a wo sa ehaw na o say fasting no wo ya etimi trigger it decrease the trigger to inflammation eniema ebema sa ehaw na ba no ebrenase and I say if we say cytokines no they are chemical messages between your immune system, immune cells, and I'll say certain cytokines that cause inflammation. Sa fasting ya ye eboa yen ebrenase. Ejidi se motie video ninti. Na baako a wokan ya me manage ho pa eye baako bia wo se efre no microphages. Na ose sa de no akoyete se uwo fie na uwo baabi waye dustbin kese bi na wo de wo bola ekogum. Sa microphages no sa na ni suban tie. Na eno no ose a large cell that eats bacteria. A cell kese bi wo nipa mu a edi yare mo bia wo mu bia bacteria, microbes, viruses. And also it is like a garbage disposal. Microphages no. The more you can stimulate macrophages, the better the immune system. And Ramadan fasting no, helps you to achieve that. Ramadan fasting no ebuawo ema o build honam mu ahoden agina so no. The efre no immune system no honam dua no na hoden agina so no. Eboa no eyiyi eniema bi besi akwan mu de ma no a ɛbɛko ɛma honamdua no ɛgye ne si hɔ ɛfiri adeɛ biara a ɛbɛtumi aba abɛka no a anka ɛbɛha no. Eti bacteria ne viruses a enka ɛbɛba abɛ ma wo yareɛ no. Saa fasting wei no etimi boa ɛkɔ ka saa adeɛ no a yɛfrɛ no microphages no ɛma ɛkɔ memene saa nneɛma no nyinaa adi firi hɔ ma honamdua no osi na hoɔden kwan so. Eti obi a ɔpɛ sɛ ne honamdua no ahoɔden agyina soɔ no esi yie no, the immune system no ɔpɛ sɛ esi yie no, na kyerɛ sɛ sɛ ɔka sɛ ɔyɛ fasting na ne kwan so no. Eti yɛda Dr. Berg DC ase. You can look for him on YouTube and watch his videos. If you like, you can subscribe to his channel. I am a subscriber myself, and I enjoy his education on health. Enti we can join his channel and listen to some of the teachings that he does. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.